My name is Catherine Daniel. I was once a customer service representative with a telecommunication company and also a well-reputable bank in Nigeria. In the course of my job, I took ill and that had to take me to various hospitals because my case was very serious. One fateful evening, I was in my restroom just trying to have my shower before bedtime. I couldn't move. I had to call for help that evening. It was a painful evening. I was rushed to the hospital and I was diagnosed of hypertension, and the doctor confirmed I had stroke. After a series of tests and treatments, I had to be on some particular drugs. You know, when you are hypertensive, there are particular drugs you have to be for life. And my own was so severe that it landed me to having stroke. I was asked to go for MRI and other checkup like the kidney and the liver scan. The doctor tried all they could, and after a lot of trial, I was asked to go home. It was as if all hope was lost because I couldn't really get myself. I am still on wheelchair. While in the house, a friend of mine visited one day and she told me about a particular product. I never believed her because the doctor made me to understand that I have to be on this treatment for life. But she introduced me to an amazing product. I call it an amazing product today because I've actually tested it and it gave me results. The name of this product she introduced me to is called the Super Life STC30. It is a stem cell base that actually have the ability to rejuvenate one's cells and boost up our immune system. She called it the human repair kit. When she actually told me this, I disagree with her because how can just one particular product do a whole lot like this? So she now told me to give it a try, and I did. And gradually I began to feel better. But the first thing I discovered about my health was when I went back to see my doctor on my clinic day, he told me that my blood pressure has actually gone down to 120/80, and that was an amazing result because it was actually very high. And gradually I began to move my hands. I discovered I can move my hands again, and that was how I became better. My disfigured body before, like my mouth that was tilted to one side, my eyes that was like, somehow, how stroke patients look. I discovered all those things came back to normal.